Ever wondered how money is actually printed? Step inside the factory where plain paper turns into real cash. From secret security features to high-tech printing, get ready for a behind-the-scenes look at how money is printed. Let's start with the paper. Unlike regular paper made from wood pulp, U.S. currency is crafted from a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. This unique mix gives the bills their signature feel and durability. The pulp is then fed into specialized machines that create large, continuous sheets of paper. These sheets are designed specifically for currency production and come with built-in security features from the start. For instance, tiny red and blue synthetic fibers are embedded randomly throughout the paper. You can actually see these fibers with the naked eye, and they serve as an important security feature. The watermark, which features a portrait of Benjamin Franklin, is embedded within the paper during production, not printed on afterward. This watermark is visible on both sides of the bill when held up to the light. And let's not forget the 3D security ribbon. This is woven directly into the paper during production, positioned vertically to the right of Franklin's portrait. It displays changing images of bells and the number 100, adding another layer of security. Once the bill is tilted, the newly formed paper sheets are carefully dried and inspected for any imperfections. Only those that meet the strict quality standards move on to the next phase. Throughout the entire design process, security is the top priority. Artists work closely with engravers and security experts to incorporate features that not only deter counterfeiting, but also make the bill easily recognizable as genuine. Once the design is finalized, highly skilled engravers step in. They carefully translate the two-dimensional artwork into three-dimensional engravings on steel dies. These dies serve as the master templates for printing the bill. The master die, intricately engraved with the design, is used to create multiple hubs in a process known as hubbing. These hubs are essentially copies of the master die and act as intermediaries in the plating process. The hubs are then used to create the actual printing plates, which are made from a softer metal than the master die. This ensures mass production of the bills without causing any wear on the original engraving. The printing plates go through several finishing processes, including polishing and hardening, to ensure they can withstand the demands of high-speed printing. The Bureau of Engraving and Printing uses massive, custom-built intaglio presses, which apply tremendous pressure to transfer ink from the recessed engravings on the plates to the paper. The plates are inked with a specially formulated, durable ink designed to last for years. Each bill is assigned a unique serial number through high-speed numbering machines. These numbers help track the bill's circulation and assist in detecting counterfeit notes. The Federal Reserve seal, the Treasury seal, and the series year are overprinted onto the bill using a separate printing process. These additional features further enhance the bill's security and identification. Once the printing is finished, the large sheets are cut into individual bills using high-speed cutting machines. These machines ensure precise cuts, minimizing waste throughout the process. Automated inspection systems also scan each bill to check for any imperfections or errors. The sheets are carefully inspected for any defects or inconsistencies. Automated systems equipped with cameras and sensors detect even the slightest deviations from the strict standards. In addition to the automated systems, trained personnel visually inspect the printed sheets and finished bills to ensure no imperfections were missed. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees that only the highest quality currency makes it into circulation. Once the bills pass inspection, they are banded together in stacks of 100 and packaged for distribution to Federal Reserve banks across the country. From there, the Federal Reserve banks send the new currency to commercial banks, eventually placing it into the hands of the public. Now, let's talk about the euro. Unlike the US dollar's cotton-linen blend, the euro is made from 100% cotton fiber, giving it a distinctive crispness and durability. This is important for a currency that changes hands frequently. During the sheet formation process, a watermark featuring the European gate and the numeral 100 is embedded into the paper. This watermark is visible. When held up to the light, the watermark becomes visible, along with a silver security thread embedded into the paper. This thread displays the euro symbol and the numeral 100 in tiny microprint, and it glows pink under ultraviolet light. Once the paper sheets are formed, they are carefully dried and inspected for any imperfections. Only flawless sheets proceed to the printing stage. Now, we enter the fortress of banknote production, a place shrouded in secrecy and precision. Every step here is designed to deter counterfeiting and maintain the integrity of the euro. The first stage of printing involves offset printing, which applies the base colors and some initial security features to both sides of the banknote. This includes the main image, which represents the European architectural styles of Baroque and Rococo for the 100 euro note, as well as the intricate background patterns. Next, silkscreen printing is used to add the shimmering emerald number, a key security feature that changes color when the note is tilted. Finally, a holographic foil stripe is applied to the right side of the banknote, displaying a portrait of Europa. The architectural motif and the euro symbol are also printed in a way that changes appearance when the note is tilted. Intaglio printing is then used to create raised tactile elements on the banknote, including the portrait of Europa from Greek mythology, the numeral 100, and other key design features. This process gives the banknote its distinctive texture, making it easily recognizable by touch. Highly specialized printing presses, separate from the ones used for the main design, are employed to print the serial numbers. These machines use advanced inkjet technology to apply unique serial numbers to each banknote with incredible speed and precision. The serial numbers are a combination of letters and numbers, creating a vast array of unique identifiers. This system helps track the banknotes throughout their lifespan and plays a crucial role in counterfeit detection. The serial numbers are printed in sequential order, ensuring that no two banknotes have the same identifier. Once the banknotes are printed, they undergo rigorous inspection, both automated and manual. Sophisticated machines scan for any deviations from strict standards, while trained experts conduct visual checks to ensure each note is flawless. The European Central Bank, ECB, upholds stringent quality control measures to guarantee the integrity and consistency of all euro banknotes, no matter where they're printed. Now that the banknotes have their unique identities and passed rigorous quality checks, it's time for them to be prepared for their journey into the world. Giant, guillotine-like cutters, equipped with laser-guided precision, slice through the large sheets of banknotes, separating them into individual notes. These machines ensure clean, accurate cuts, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. The freshly cut banknotes are automatically stacked and counted by sophisticated machines, ensuring that each bundle contains the correct number of notes. These stacks are then banded and wrapped in protective plastic film to shield them from moisture and damage during transport. The wrapped bundles are carefully placed into sturdy boxes designed to withstand rough handling and keep the banknotes pristine. Each box is clearly labeled with its contents, including denomination, quantity, and destination. Throughout the cutting and packaging process, strict security measures are in place to prevent theft or tampering. Surveillance cameras monitor every stage, and access to the area is tightly controlled.